go ahead and jump straight into this. As you see here, I'm using this Champagne Mist Metallic Spray Paint. It is a paint and primer in one, so there's no need for all of the extra steps. I got this from Home Depot just because I had a gift card, but they do sell it at Home Depot, Lowe's, and Walmart for under $8. Today I'm going to be using this super old nightstand that I've had for about 5 years now. So it has a lot of wear and tear, but it is okay because we are going to glam this up and it's going to look like a whole new, fresh, nightstand. And so as you see here, my boyfriend is just taking off the knobs to the dresser. We're going to trash them because we're not going to use them. They're not glamorous enough for me, And then we're just going to get straight into the spray painting process. So I unfortunately didn't get the first, half of us spray painting, but it's okay because we're literally just doing the same thing that you see here. We literally just started, spray painting. So we aren't really too fond of reading directions sometimes. Well, I know I'm not, my boyfriend kind of is, but today we weren't in this video, we weren't. And so you want to stay 8 to 12 inches, it says on the bottle, away from whatever it is that you're spray painting, because it can come out kind of blotchy, like how you see in that little midsection. But we decided to just keep going over and over and over, those areas to make them look smooth. And this is kind of like how everything looked as you see here. Came out pretty smooth. The top, let's not talk about it. It's a nightstand, I put a lot of drinks on that. And so, this isn't real wood. If it is, I don't know much about wood and all that stuff, but it bubbled up. But it doesn't matter because we're putting mirror over that. So basically, the most important thing is to just make sure that the edges around each drawer and around your nightstand are, is what looks the best, because those are the parts that are going to show. The middle of it is not going to show, at least for me, because I'm putting mirrors on top of the drawers and right on top of the nightstand. So like I said, just make sure you get a smooth finish around the edges. We're extra, we were having fun, so we wanted to make it look cute all around, in the middle and everything. And it's looking real smooth right here. It's looking real smooth. We're taking this dresser from what looked like it should have been $5 to about $100. I'm just speeding the spray painting process up, you guys, because it's literally the most simplest thing ever. Once you get everything as smooth as you like it, you just want to set it aside and let it dry. It's suggested to let it dry for 24 hours, but like I said, we're impatient, so we only let it sit for about 6. Once it is dry, you want to use whatever glue you choose. I chose liquid nails. It's only about $5 at just about anywhere: Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart, Family Dollar, your local hardware store. And I spread it evenly over the surface of my drawer where I'll be applying my mirrors. I did get my mirrors cut at Lowe's. Lowe's cuts mirrors for free as long as you buy their mirror. So I basically just bought a big enough mirror to fit all of my measurements and let them cut it. Like I said, I only am using the mirror on top of the 2 drawers and on the very top of the nightstand. So the mirror only cost me about $14. This is literally like the best thing you can do if you want to go for that mirrored, bedroom look, you guys, because it is way cheaper than actually buying a mirrored dresser or nightstand or mirrored anything. Have your mirrors in place, you just want to sit something heavy on them so that they can dry exactly how you set them down. We decided on a book. We let that sit for about 30 minutes. You should probably do longer. I said we're impatient, you guys. We're going to move on to putting the knobs down. I'm using E6000, which once again, you can get from just about anywhere. It's about $3. I decided on these crystal knobs. Girl, they look like some real diamonds. They shining now, okay? So you want to measure them out, make sure they're even, and then you just simply use the E6000 at the base of the knob and set it back where you want it and glue it down. And you want to let these sit for maybe about an hour before you start moving them around. Literally, you guys, we are so impatient that I put the drawers back into the nightstand and everything started sliding off. So just take your time with everything. Go with the time what is it called? The time estimates on the back of the bottles for, you know, how long you should really be letting everything sit. But once I saw them sliding, I did let them sit overnight. And I'm just going with the same process to do the top mirror for the nightstand, and then we'll pretty much be done, you guys. So once you've completed all of those steps, you will end up with something like this. This is absolutely gorgeous, you guys, minus those few chips. Everything that I do has a few mess ups because I am a very impatient person. So just have patience, you guys, and yours will turn out great. Mine still looks fabulous because everything I do is fabulous because I am fabulous. I do still have a few of those little, you know, bubbled areas seeping out around the edges, but I don't care because it looks good to me. All right. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. See you in the next video.